Hi, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I haven't done one of these in a while, but today we're gonna swatch this Morphe palette. There's the kitty. Alright, so did I need this palette? Absolutely not. I have liked Morphe palettes in the past, but once I unbox this, you're gonna see exactly why it got me. Ta-da! Look at that center shade. Look at it. This is freaking beautiful. I think they might have others in this line. Artistry palette, Rose to Fame. So I guess they're supposed to be rosy. They look pretty coppery to me. I've played around with them a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. I hope that middle one lives up to how exciting it looks. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shade names just on the screen because they're like punny. But here's the first one. Should be a light matte pink. I have a little bit of foundation on the top of my arm. That's gonna be very pretty, like a petally pink. Actually, it's called On a Pedestal, so that makes sense. The second one's a shimmer. Sorry about my nails, that's just the kind of person I am. This is supposed to be more beige, but I see it as just a sparkly version of the first one. And then this one might not show up on me. Oh, it's a little darker than my skin tone. It's like a mauve-y pink. All right, second row is called Charmed Life. It's a peachy shimmer. I don't know if you can see that on my skin tone. I have light skin with cool undertones. I've been out in the sun a little bit. It's June at the time of filming, so I might be a little darker than usual. Here's this middle shade. Okay. This is the titular Rose to Fame shade. I'm not really seeing anything different. I thought it would be more metallic than shimmery, but it's definitely shimmery. And I'd say it's a copper. I'd say it's, I don't know, it's a little different than what it looks like in the pan. They got me with shiny pretty things. My goodness. Moving on. Here's the last, oh, that's gorgeous. That's like a pink with gold reflect. Really nice. All right, moving on to the third row, the bottom row. Oh, this is a very nice matte terracotta shade called Trust Fund Issues. The next one is the last shimmer, and yeah, it's a little more pinky than the terracotta, but it's a solid, very pigmented shimmer. And then this is the last one. Ooh, very nice rich brown. I could see a little bit of red undertones. So there you have the Morphe Rose to Fame palette. Let me know if you use this. Let me know if you were a sucker for that middle shade as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. This lighting is weird. I don't like this. What are you called? Artistry palette, but this one is called Rose to Femme. No. It clearly says Rose to Fame. Come on, you can get down. Oh, how do I pause it? I can't see it and you need me. Hey. Are you gonna participate? You can get down. I've seen him do this multiple times. No, you don't have to ask me. You can get down. Do you need help? Do you want help? Come on. I saw you get down a million times today. This poor baby. He's got 1 week left in this thing, and I cannot wait to get it off of him. I know. Come on. It's okay. All right. I gotta get some work done. You gotta stop. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. See, you can do it. You can do it. I forgot to bring something to wipe my hands on. Well, this is familiar. I'm gonna check it. Gonna check it. Let's go out just in case.